Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of Saturn, the jewel of our solar system. It's a gas giant with a presence, boasting rings so massive you could see them with a decent telescope from your backyard. Well, if it weren't for all the light pollution. You see, Saturn has captivated humanity for centuries, and we're about to find out why. Get ready to be amazed by some incredible facts about this giant planet. We're going on a cosmic journey to explore its majestic rings, its intriguing moons, and its turbulent atmosphere. Fasten your seatbelts, space cadets, because things are about to get cosmic. Let's face it, when you think of Saturn, you think of those rings. They're not just some cosmic bling though. Made of countless particles of ice and rock, they range from tiny grains to massive chunks. These particles orbit Saturn in a delicate balance, creating stunning patterns. Galileo Galilei first spotted these rings in the 1600s. His telescope wasn't up to the task, so he described them as ears. Later, powerful telescopes revealed a mind-blowing system of rings. And guess what? We still don't know exactly how they formed. Hold on to your astronaut helmets, folks, because Saturn isn't just rocking the rings, it's got a posse of moons. We're talking a whopping 82 confirmed moons, and counting. That's right, Saturn's got more moons than you can shake a telescope at. Two of these moons are particularly intriguing, Titan and Enceladus. Titan is a real standout. It's larger than our very own moon, and even has its own atmosphere, thicker than Earth's. Imagine the stories hidden beneath those hazy clouds. Then there's Enceladus, a smaller icy moon that's constantly spewing out plumes of water vapor from its south pole. These geysers hint at a vast ocean hidden beneath its icy shell, and where there's water, well, there might just be life. Talk about a cosmic mystery begging to be solved. Okay folks, we're diving into Saturn's atmosphere now, and buckle up because it's a wild ride. Imagine winds howling at over 1,000 kilometers per hour, faster than a speeding jet plane. One of the most mind-blowing features is the giant hexagonal storm swirling around Saturn's North Pole. It's been raging for decades and spans a diameter wider than Earth itself. Scientists are still trying to wrap their heads around how such a geometrically perfect storm could form and persist. Now let's get a little more personal with Saturn and talk about its magnetic field. You see, Saturn has a magnetic field that's thousands of times stronger than Earth's. If we could see magnetic fields, Saturn's would look like a giant cosmic bubble engulfing the planet and its rings. This magnetic field acts like a shield, deflecting harmful radiation from the sun and protecting Saturn's atmosphere and moons. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. This powerful magnetic field also traps charged particles from the sun, creating spectacular auroras at Saturn's poles. These auroras are even more dazzling than the northern lights we see on Earth. Imagine a light show on a planetary scale with shimmering curtains of green, red, and blue dancing across the polar skies. It's a reminder that even in the depths of space, there's beauty to be found everywhere. For centuries, we could only marvel at Saturn from afar, but then came the era of space exploration. In 1979, the Pioneer 11 spacecraft made the first flyby of Saturn, sending back grainy images that blew our minds. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 followed, giving us a closer look at the rings and moons. But the real game-changer was the Cassini spacecraft, which orbited Saturn for 13 glorious years, from 2004 to 2017. Cassini was like our personal paparazzi, snapping thousands of images and gathering tons of data about Saturn, its rings, and its moons. Thanks to Cassini, we now have a much deeper understanding of this fascinating planet. We've learned about the composition of its rings, the potential for life on Enceladus, and the complex weather patterns in its atmosphere. Cassini even dropped a probe onto Titan, giving us our first glimpse of its surface. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about Saturn, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing space facts. The universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered, and we're here to guide you through the cosmos. Leave a comment below on which fact surprised you the most. Was it the size of the rings, the number of moons, or maybe the hexagonal storm? Let us know, and let's keep the conversation going. Remember, the more we learn about the universe, the more we realize how much more there is to explore. So, keep looking up, stay curious, and never stop questioning the cosmos.